901.
This is, yeah.
Lima 751 may want to respond to this as well.
751.
So what's this QTH?
First, it's going to be 1 Washington Avenue, 1 Washington Avenue, and South Point Park, Sierra 901 is
right
at the
now,
pier.
this is not helping me out. This is
You know what it is?
That's all you continue to
Officer safety, your safety, everybody's safety.
I wasn't threatening nobody.
I know, but we don't know.
I wasn't hurting
who are you?
My name's Mike Taylor.
Okay,
what do you
well,
want to know?
my name's Mitchell, but we're
Okay,
gonna find out. See, I don't
Okay,
just.
as a man to man, I'm trying to help you out.
Okay, and we're gonna get there. We're gonna
See
get
that
there.
paper right there? Hey, I do not consent to any search or seizures of my property.
We're just trying
I'm not
to
doing anything
understand the situation.
I'm not doing. If I'm doing something
Taylor,
illegal,
is that your name, Taylor?
yes, sir.
Okay.
If
We
I was
will-
doing something illegal, I'm all about friggin' saying, yeah, I'm friggin' complying.
Okay, but
I'm
until
not doing nothing
we get there, we don't know.
But sir, I'm asking you just to look at that paper right there, right next to that black
And we
bag.
will. You got a sense of urgency.
You gotta treat me like a friggin'.
I'm treating you like I would treat my own son.
No,
Okay, and you could be my own son.
hold on. If your son was fishing or hunting, and he was open carrying while fishing,
Right.
hunting, or camping legally, would you treat your son like this?
Until
No.
yes,
Demand.
yes,
You just asked me.
yes,
You would not treat.
yes, and I'll tell you why. Okay, because in this environment, how we live,
I'm sorry.
in this little
I'm
dangerous
sorry
world.
that there's legal citizens
Okay, but
that
we-
do the
we-
right thing.
but we
you're treating me like an illegal citizen. Like I'm doing something wrong.
If there's no
I'm
problem,
not.
if there's no problem, then there's no problem. But we have to get there first, okay, Taylor?
Yeah, 1033 is over units are arrival. Where do they want us to post?
I'm not a friggin' illegal citizen and
Just
not
post
doing
up
anything.
on the entrance of the pier.
We'll
We're
get-
going to try and
we'll
not
get
let
there.
anybody else on this pier until we
Just
figure
chill.
this out.
Dude, I've got a
And if 996 is available, have them respond as well.
messed up.
Yeah, they're
Can
arrival.
you help me out with
So we got a
Can you
touchdown
help me
too?
in the front?
Just chill a
Can you
second.
help me in the front so I can
We got everybody secured right
Yes,
now. We should
yes,
be fine.
yes. But hold on.
Come on, man.
So advise
I'm
is it section
asking
or
man to man. I'm not doing nothing.
No, it's not gonna be
illegal.
needed.
Have not resisted. I'm just asking to host me
for the advised media is on
in the
station.
front so I can't.
Gotta stay back there.
Obviously. Hey,
Let us.
hey, excuse me, bud. Hey, start recording. Please record.
Anybody else here?
1033 and Kill
Hey,
Let's
News,
get a
hey,
unit to
you
block
are
the entrance
by
to
the
South
First
Point
Amendment.
so
You
that
can
nobody
start
else can come
recording.
into the parking lot.
Please
Just
record.
chill.
Any unit
Just
on
chill.
Please.
Arrival
Pick
right
up
there.
your
I'm blocking
camera
it right now.
and start
So
recording, man.
1086 is blocking
You
the
know
entrance.
you
740
can.
you can respond as well.
Michael, just let them do their thing, bro. We're completely legal what we're doing, so.
Yeah, but they're treating, dude, I've got fucking
No.
shoulder problems and I'm asking to be hooked in the front because my shoulder.
We'll take care of you,
I'm
but
asking-
let
relax,
us assist
relax.
the situation.
0999 any unit that's out at
You
72
guys
and
tell
Dickens.
me enough is enough.
Okay.
Relax.
Like, come
Try
on,
to
man.
secure you with your
Relax.
You took my
17
gun,
unit.
you treat me like crap.
099.
This ain't cool, man.
Verify you cure you at
You
72
know-
and Dickens.
You wouldn't treat your son like this. You
Yes,
know better.
yes, I would.
No, you
okay?
wouldn't.
You're not being mistreated. Just relax.
I'm asking to, because my shoulder, man.
And I'll help you out, but we gotta assess the situation 1 second. You're carrying on. You're putting drama where drama does not need to be. Okay?
You guys have brought the drama. I didn't bring the drama.
well,
They pointed guns at me.
Every time
I didn't point guns at anybody.
every time we get a gun call like that, we make everybody safe.
That's the problem with friggin' people in the world is that there's nutbags and we're a bunch of legal citizens and you're pointing guns at me like I'm trying to kill somebody. I'm fishing. You guys are out of your mind.
When it's all said and done, Michael, the attorney's gonna handle it, and we're all gonna have a nice
Let Eric Friday do his thing.
No.
Eric will do his thing.
Even from the phone call, I actually called Miami PD. It was like, hey, if I go down fishing in Miami, you can see it on YouTube. You guys should have already been notified by our lawyers from Florida Carry.
Chris notified them.
Yeah,
Right.
no shit.
Verify the unit still need the air.
Yeah.
No, air's clear. Everybody's secured. We're secure here.
Believe it, dude. I've done my homework. I know the law.
Myself
That's
and
why
Big
we're
Day
here. It's because it's a legal right, and you guys are treating me
We'll
like
finish
an
arrival
illegal,
at 10:18.
like some kind of. This is BS. This is a bunch of BS right now.
QSL 998 on the pier at 10:18 Miami Beach.
It's not worth the breath, man. They're gonna do their investigation. Let them do their thing. We'll be back on our way.
Dude, I'm asking just to be hooked in the front so I can deal with my shoulder. They're treating me like I'm. Dude, you might as well go ahead and.
Hello there, I'm gonna be informed.
QSL 10:18 Miami
I need a paramedic. My shoulder is messed up because of you guys keeping me in this, and I'm
Also be on 4.
asking.
QSL 10:03 and 10:46 on 4 at 10:19 Miami Beach.
Can I get some assistance? I need some medical assistance. Please? I need medical assistance, sir.
What's wrong with you?
My shoulder. I've got rotated.
Call rescue. If he wants rescue, he gets rescue.
And right now, because of my shoulder being detained
Uniform
right now, and
1087.
I'm asking for help,
1087.
nobody wants to help? Okay. Go ahead and
You send
call.
rescue routine.
Get 'em here.
Reference, white male, alert and conscious, complaining of shoulder injury.
Thank you for calling me a white male.
QSL white male
That's the
conscious
real deal
breathing,
right there.
complaining of a shoulder injury. Fire at the pier.
Yeah, we'll take care of you.
Good, good. You should, because that's my right.
And we are. Watch your legs here.
I'm not gonna watch anything.
Name is Alpha 199-123.
991 QSL at 13.
13.
10:20 Miami Beach.
That's if you have the gun in your vehicle, not on your person.
Dude, I've got a paper right there on this black backpack.
There's a copy of the statute right here.
Yeah, you guys don't know your laws and you don't know your rules, and this is retarded.
We've done this in what this is like the
What?
city we've done this in. We've done it in Lakewood.
Dude, there was 200 plus people in Ocala. There was over 15 people in Fort Pierce and Dade, where I'm from.
We have about 17 people in Lake Worth, Boynton. Fort Pierce. This is the first time we've had an issue.
If you guys actually look at that piece of paper right over there and look at it, and it'll tell you the Florida statute, 790.25, Section 3, subsection H. But none of y'all want to look at it. Y'all want to look at me like I'm some kind of criminal. I'm trying to wash my fishing pole, and I can't catch fish because, guess what? You guys are treating me like I'm a criminal. Plain and simple.
Michael, we're not changing their minds. Let them do their investigation.
I don't care about changing their
put that bill
minds.
down,
They listen.
They won't.
Cheers,
They're
10:21
doing their
Miami
job.
Beach.
We're doing our thing out here.
Hey, please, don't touch my, I do not
Cheers,
consent to
843
any
and
of my
5109 at
search or
10:21 Miami
property. Don't touch my fishing pole.
You're getting a bite.
I don't care. Like you're some kind of fisherman, dude. I catch bigger fish than you are tall.
Can I read it up as we go?
I don't care. Don't touch my fishing pole. Plain and simple.
You get why we got called out here. You do understand that, right? Just so
You
we're both.
want to know something? I
0091, case number for the 17.
Jensen Beach every day, and do you know how many times I get police interactions? Zero.
But you get why we got called out here, right?
No, I don't.
We didn't just show up here because we wanted.
I'm sorry that the public is not informed about those
Yeah,
gun
so
laws
case
that
number's
are in
gonna be-
Florida. That's
If
not my
everything
fault.
checks out,
You got 1, 2, 3, 4,
If
5,
everything
6,
checks out, you gotta
7,
be
8,
fine.
9, 10. There's 10 of y'all right here, and I've had guns pointed at me, and I'm just asking for a little relief.
Can you find out where they want me?
everything checks out, you guys will be fine.
Dispatch is still seen as 1 Washington Avenue and advised
Right
where
there,
you
off
need
that
additional
little
units.
black bag right there. We're all gonna be good. You guys
If everything checks out, you guys will be fine. You guys nothing to worry about.
No, no, no.
Friggin' joke. I knew. My wife warned me about
No, no,
going
one.
down here. And I was
You have an
like,
additional
you know,
unit arrival.
They're not gonna be
Are you
that
advised
bad.
where you need vehicles?
He had a gun on him too?
No, we got 2 on the pier entrance now. The pier's empty. So we're here for now.